Hello strangers, Radhe Radhe. Welcome back to another new sessions today. Today's 16 day challenges read English practice with Radhe talks. Before starting video, I just like to tell you two lines motivations that's very helpful to our daily lives. The two most powerful warriors. The two most powerful warriors are patience and another is the times. Patience times is a very important of our lives, and all of you are be student and you are be anybody's categories, then is a patience and times is a depend upon say your requirement, your lives very important. That's why you are be know about yours. Actually you are the how to do, how to survive. That is very helpful to your patience and your times. You always follow your times. That is helpful of today. Without delay times today start sessions. I have the same book. The book name is The Psychology of Money. The topic is No One Cry. I started. Okay. In 2006, economics, the National Bureau of Economic Research, through 50 years of survey of consumers' finance, a details look at what the Americans do with their monies. In theory, people should make investment decisions based on their goals and the characteristics of the investment options available to them at the times. But that's not what people do. The economics found that people's lifetimes invest decisions are heavily to be experienced. Those investors had in their own generations especially experience earlier in their adult लाइफ म्हणजे जो बचपन में इकोनॉमी का ज्ञान सीख जाता है उसी को बहुत बेहतर होता है, क्योंकि हम पढ़ाई में तो बहुत सीखते हैं लेकिन कोई भी ये बता नहीं सकती कि इन्वेस्टमेंट कहाँ से करना है और अर्निंग मनी कहाँ से करना है। हम जब भी 10th में जो पढ़ाई करते हैं सब्जेक्ट बाई पढ़ते, लेकिन मनी को कैसे इन्वेस्ट करना और मनी को कैसे अर्न करना वैसे बारे में कोई तो पता नहीं है, कोई भी पता नहीं है। इट मीन्स इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ अर्न मनी और इन्वेस्टमेंट मनी दैट्स इज वेरी हेल्पफुल टू आवर लाइफ. देन यू आर बी any category, you are be student or be non-student, you are be studying, you are not be people, you are be store, then you are almost to know about the investment that is helpful to the future life, your future generation. You are be loans investment and you very helpful to your lives. Okay, if you grow up the inflation was high, then investments is less the money and the bond lessons life is compared to those who are grow off the when inflation was low. Okay, then if you happen to grow off when the stock market was strong, you invest more of your money in the stock their lives compared to those who are grow off stock and were the weak. That's very helpful today. Okay, the economy worst our finding suggest and the individual's investor and willingness to bear risks depend upon the personal history. Okay, that's I have about these sessions today. Then you almost practice daily habit and daily routines that you every day practice, then you will be expert of day to buy. Okay, but you continue to do, then improve yourselves. Don't be one day you stop, you regularly practice, but they are very helpful to yourself. Okay, thanks for you watching this end. I will see you the next times, and okay, let's call it a day. Bye bye. Jai Jagannath.